Hartex, effectively what we're doing with our newer manufacturing facilities and then bringing back that concept to what we already have in place is we are trying to establish a trifecta of compatibility between machine, process, and people. If you think about it, quality is not something you choose to do on a specific day. It's what should be ingrained into how things are done on a daily basis, and that is what brings consistency to the market in the products that we make day in and day out, whether it's bicycle for kids, whether it's an adult racing tire, whether it's for gravel usage, whether it's a tubeless tire for downhill mountain biking, or a wheelchair tire for cargo mobility applications in Europe. It shouldn't matter. Every product should be made with consistency and to the quality specification using the best of machine, process, and manpower.